Hey y'all, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Earth and Tour Builder to create different tours based upon a lesson. This can also be used by your students as a different way to present information. So to get started, you just can go to tourbuilder.withgoogle.com. You may have to sign in using a Google account. And then you're going to click Create a Tour. Give your tour a name and click Create Tour. So here's where you do an introduction to your tour. So I'm just going to do a Civil War one. You can add an introductory picture. You can click Search Images. I'm just going to search for Civil War pictures. And once you find one that you like, you can click on it. You can also upload your own. You can also put a description. And you can change the path color. So when you start plotting points, that it will have that color of a path. So I'm done with my introduction. I'm going to add a location. So I'm going to type in Fort Sumter, South Carolina. That's in Charleston. I'm going to add that to my tour. And once you add it to your tour, you can change the location name. You can also add photos and videos. These can be your own. You can upload them, or you can also search for them in the Google search box. You can also search for videos. You can add by clicking the plus sign. I'm going to search for a YouTube video. You can also put the date that it started. You can also change the icon. And you can also put more description. So I want to add another location. So that was in Manassas, Virginia. I'm going to add that to the tour. You can also search for, and then we're going to click Done Editing. So you can add as many points as you would like. For time purposes, that's all I'm going to do. So you can share this tour. It's viewable in the Tour Builder. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it as a KML file. So I'm going to click on the three little lines. I'm going to click Export. I'm going to download KML. So a KML we can import into Google Earth. So let's give this a name. So now I'm going to go to Google Earth. So you can go to earth.google.com. And this is the web browser view of Google Earth. It is new. So what you're going to have to do is click on the little My Places. And then if you haven't enabled importing KML files, there'll be a little link down here that you can click on Settings. And it will take you to a window that looks like this, and then you just slide the slider over to enable KML files. Okay, so we're going to click Save. I'm going to go back to My Places. I'm going to import a KML file, and then I'm going to import that. So what that does, that imports it in for you, so it also plays it. You can edit what you would like for someone to see. If you click the eye, that will make one of your tours disappear. This way you can view and you can interact with your tour. Another way that you can access tours is going to googlelittrips.org. This will be a good tie-in for English language arts. If you click on one of the grade level bands, you can see what's available. All you have to do to get the file is click Request a Lit Trip and put in your email and then select which lit trip you would like, and it will send you an email with the KML file that you can import into Google Earth. If you would like for students to do a tour, to get it to you, you can have them upload it into your Google Classroom or Canvas. If you want to get a tour to students, you can do the reverse, and you can post this in your Google Classroom or Canvas and share it with students so that they can download. So that's all there is to creating a tour, an interactive tour, or it may be another way to do a presentation so that it makes it real for your student.